Hi friends, this is Professor Jha here. Welcome back to Imparting Education. So today we will discuss the last topic of polynomials, that is division of polynomials. Okay. So let's see in last previous videos I have explained you all that in case of multiplication you will have to add the index of the variable. Okay, you will have to add the index of the variable, but in case of division you will have to subtract the index. That is, here the index is 3 and here the index is 1, so 3 minus 1 will give you 2. So remember one thing, that is, in case of division guys, you will have to subtract the index. So let's take two examples. Okay, let us solve two examples. The first example is 21y cube divided by 3y. So I am going to solve this sum in fraction method. 21 multiplied by y into y into y. Y 3 times is there. Okay, so you have to write y 3 times upon 3 into y. Only here 1 time is there, so write 1 time. Now remember one thing, you will have to reduce the y in pairs. Okay, this one pair is gone. Okay, so 3 how many times will give you 21? 3 how many times will give you 3? 3 1 time, and 3 will give you 7 times 21. Okay, so your answer will be 7. Y how many times are there? 2 times. So 7y square is your solution guys. Okay, now we will solve the same sum in division method also. 3y divided by 21y cube. Okay guys, so as I told you all that in case of division you will have to subtract the index. So 3y minus 1y will give you y square. Okay, and 3 how many times 21? 3 7 times 21. So 3 7 times 21. So 3 7s are 21, and see we are multiplying now. Y cube y square and y will give you y cube, and here subtraction sign you have to give, and then put a line. This will the remainder will be 0. Okay, and the quotient is 7y square. Here the quotient is 7y square and remainder is 0. Okay guys, sorry guys, this pen is not working properly. Okay, so here also one more example is there. 18x raised to 4 divided by 9x. So in first method we will use a fraction 1. 18 multiply by x. X how many times? 4 times is there, so you will have to write x 4 times. X into x into x into x, then upon 9 into x. Okay, so as I told you all that you will have to reduce the variable in terms, in pairs I mean to say. So this one pair is gone, and 9 how many times will give you 9? 9 1 time will give you 9, and 9 2 times will give you 18. So your solution is 2x how many times is there? 3 times. 2x cube. This is your solution guys. Okay, 2x cube is your solution. Now we are going to solve the same sum in division method also. So 9x, and then write your 18x raised to 4. Now here you all need to subtract the index. So this will give you x raised to 3, And 9, how many times 18? 9, 2 times 18. Okay. So 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. Now we are in multiplication. You need to add the index. X raised to 3 and x raised to 1 will give you x raised to 4. Then subtract. Okay. And this will remainder is, and this will give you 0. So here the quotient is 2x cube and the remainder is 0. Okay guys, so I hope you all understood this topic guys. If you all have any doubts, please do ask me, and please do take care of your everyone, yourself and your loved one also. Take care. Goodbye guys. Meet you in the next video. Okay, bye.